Hi everyone. So I want to show you a purchase that we picked up about 2 weeks ago, and it's this Ecovacs robot vacuum cleaner. It mops and it vacuums. It self-empties. It cleans out the dirty water. It does everything that you can imagine without you having to do it manually. Wasn't sure how I thought this was going to work out for us, but it is way better than I expected. As far as our carpets, it leaves really nice lines, gets all the kids' leftover snacks and crumbs out of. Our floors are great, and I kind of want to just give you a quick overview on how this works and how the setup of everything really is. So this is the Ecovacs. As you can see, there's built-in sensors and cameras right in the front of it, and they actually go all the way around on all the sides. That way you don't run into anything or you don't run over any obstacles within your home. Right here you will find the dirty water container. Here you will find the clean water container. And in here you will find where the vacuum will self-empty right into that bag. In addition, you'll see right there, that's where you can put your floor cleaner in, so it'll mix with the water solution. That's a concentrate. And when it mops your floors, it leaves a really nice streakless result. So let's dive into the app a little bit. So as you can see, we're on the home page of my app right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna show you how everything works. So if you hit the enter button, if you've already had your house mapped out, you're gonna see what I see, which is my entire floor plan. But for first-time users, what it's gonna have you do is it's gonna run your vacuum and it's gonna map out your entire floor. That way it knows where all the rooms are, what kind of floor you have. That way it knows whether it should mop or if it should vacuum. Now, the nice thing about this is you can map multiple floors. So we have a 2-floor house. I was able to map our first floor, which you see right here, as well as our second floor upstairs. So I want to just walk you through this real quick. So within the app, you can see all my rooms, obviously. If you scroll down, you have all the different cleaning modes: suction power, water flow rate, cleaning speeds, and cleaning passes. The biggest thing to know is really the cleaning mode. So the first one you see on the left-hand side is vacuum only. The second one is mop only. The third one, which I'm on right now, is vac and mop, meaning it's gonna vacuum and mop your wooden floors, but then it'll only vacuum your carpet. And then the fourth one, which I use a lot, is vacuum and then mop. So once it's done vacuuming all your rooms, it will then go back and it'll mop your floors individually where you have hardwood. So with that being said, let's show you how this works. So usually you can just have it go and do your whole floor or the whole floor of your house. But in this case, I'm gonna just show you how it does our living room. So I'm gonna select living room on here, as I just did. So I have one room selected. I'm going to select, for my cleaning mode, vacuum only. And for suction power, let's go, we'll keep it on max. We'll have it deep clean and we'll have it do 1 pass. So once I have it set as I want, I'll go ahead and click start.
Begin vacuuming.
And as you can see, the vacuum is starting. And it's gonna make its way over into my family room. This thing has 18,500 PA blast suction, which means it pulls dust and pet hair from deep inside your carpets, not just the surface. It has Zero Tangle 2.0, which reduces hair tangles by up to 100%. If you've ever had to cut hair out of your roller, you know how big this is. The mop automatically lifts 18 millimeters when it detects carpet. That means no wet rugs, no streaks, no babysitting. Most robots miss the edges. The Ecovacs uses True Edge 2.0, which extends the brush and mop to reach right up against walls and corners. No more dust lines. It uses AI/VI 3D plus LiDAR to identify over 100 household objects: shoes, toys, cables. This thing sees it all and navigates around it like a pro. This is where it becomes a lifestyle upgrade. The Omni station auto-empties, washes the mop head with hot water, dries it with hot air, refills water, adds cleaning solution, remops intelligently. You literally don't have to touch a thing. With the voice control, you can just say things like, "Clean the kitchen," and it gets to work. No app digging required. If you want a robot vacuum that deep cleans carpets, handles pet hair, mops without making a mess, and basically runs your home for you, The Ecovacs is absolutely worth it.